calling in Thailand, particularly this noisy one. I love it. Unfortunately, it's there somewhere. Like this one, I think it is the mango tree. Pretty loud, huh? Okay, I guess it stops. It does this every 5 minutes or so. I'm in Lopburi, Thailand. It's like 2 in. Oh, maybe that's the one. GoPro. There are all kinds of birds here. See one over there. This is my neighbor's house next door. Retired military officer. The weather is pretty nice, you know, well, a little warm if you're under the sun. Other than that, this is January, toward the end of January. January, I think is what, 12? Oh, sorry, 11.